Good morning, my dear students, class 8. Ngahan CL gi matik ama tawgre. Na adu question answer hanagi tawgiba lesson number chapter number 9 di same haba dumaina tharak nei 10 gi same dri haba do madam na semaga thagat pa hograbani adu loinabak semaga thagalakhi doini ko. Aduga adugi lesson do gyan ta taragadi si chathabaje pharak tarakadabani na adu hana gyan tai ta de haba do Rakhangan Bamadi, Sangbani, Aduno in Haraktrabanina, Madame in the Shell, said them Chatabatarico. Nan Mati Amatogre, Shell Gidako, CLC, Kamina Putoki, Kanana Putoki, at the Yi Shell Gimatang the Karas and the Pats Mina Togre. Duga Magi experimental propoina Shell, Sikamina Tobono, have animal shell, Nakaminto, plant shell, Nakaminto, have an issue with the young Greco. Adugi matungda ngasi lakadori basina animal cell, the structure of animal cell, page number 92 steleni ko ada 93 gi ahobo stai the animal cell ma ye se yango sigi ye ibasdai the nucleus laire nucleolus laire si sing je karai da lai habde yango nucleus laire then nucleolus laire nucleoplasm laire ribosome endoplasmic reticulum Golgi body cell membrane mitochondrion the centriole cytoplasm vacuole lysosome sina singba mayam sin laireko animal cell sidai ta sigi singse yawgodorim neba hairiba si singse karai da kamaina yawi nucleus ki karai da yawi cell ama haitaragadi akoina isam sambida akoina khangisi cell sidai da kari yawgani nucleus adagidi se chromosome DNA gene sumaina Sina tabate me amamusu sumaina yawraga leiramimni ko aduna plant ki su admaina lakadorini ahan basigi sina animal gini adurgadi sida yawriba singse akoi amamam admaina khangalaga yengsi ko munna taba darkar hoy gyan tanaba ko se cell membrane hare cell membrane habasiga plasma membrane habasiga animak se sapmanai moije thin membrane ni moisina kaidoba cell se cover tawe cell membrane plasma membrane sapmanare moisina cell se cover toba it holds all contents of the cell together and gives shape to the cell moina cell du dai du da maina yomsa leiraga kaidoba cell du ki shape na singbache pidorini sidai seisa substance pura phawdokpa yaba nataba substance to pass through it and does a semi-permeable membrane aba some substances khara di phawba yaba pura phawba yaba duna permeable kawi kitang phawdok phawjin khara di yaba khara su yada bagum tawba semi-permeable membrane kawi ko agu pura phaw gitar di permeable kawgani all the material of the cell that is enclosed by the cell membrane is called the karikoba protoplasm all the material sing karaida of the cell sidai seista enclosed tawrisi bokhona kari kaure cell membrane sina kupsalaga leibadubo protoplasm kore protoplasm haiba sidai seista mana kupsalaga leiraga cell du kupsalaga leiraga manungdu da mayam ama yawribane ba adu taragadi protoplasm consists of the following components habako hairiba sigi makhada laiba mayam singje hujiki protoplasm sida yawba taiba maramdi plasma membrane cell membrane ama khatani moisi thin membrane cell je cover tawre aruga cell ji ki shape pire haire aduga hairiba sidai seista pura phawdok phawjin di yaba nataba substance some substances khara di yaba phawdok pase masibu semi permeable membrane kawre aduga loina material khudima kari gi material of cell gi material sing enclosed taweba kanana by the cell membrane amana adubu kari koba protoplasm kawre protoplasm sidai je makhagi cytoplasm nucleus se mitochondria the vacuoles endoplasmic reticulum so on si loi yawgadori ni ko adu abataragadi hujik yengasi cytoplasm je hana yengasi ko cytoplasm se kari non jelly like substance neba moise jelly like substance adi akoina ga se thot ka lauraga khogi se namnab lawba dugumba posak ama haitare ko si jelly like substance that fills the cell is called the cytoplasm sigi si korai da di laigadori no cell da di laigadori ni ko cell du da fill tawraga laigadori ba jelly like substance tu bu cytoplasm kawi kari yawi contains protein sugar and some other compounds mayam jawre cytoplasm se sidai seisa akoina small oiba structure singche yauraga layaba that is called organelles kauganeba ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ organelles ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ are the structures present in the cytoplasm the present of structures singduni that carry out the different functions of the cell aduga moina cell sigi function se makhan makhan de adumaina tawba sina chingba se leire ko adu batar hujik cytoplasm khange organelles khange ko makada nucleus lai nucleus na kari control tawi all the activities of the cell aduna kari harga khangnai brain of the cell harga khangnai nucleus habse generally spherical shape oigani mase akhoi kaidoba covered by a thin membrane amana ma se kupsan gani madubu kari kawi nuclear membrane inside it there is a jelly like substance madugi mapan thangbada jelly like substance ngasai ma jelly like substance so cytoplasm natro andaki jelly like substance in a nucleoplasm jelly like substance karawaida nuclear membrane daire inside it there is a jelly like substance nucleoplasm kore thread like structure chromosome se are suspended in the nucleoplasm sidai the suspend toroga laigani aduga chromosome sing sidai sa kari yaugani general oina genes yaure hold the information that the cell needs to function tore adagi responsible for the trace we inherit from our parents nucleus also contains a structure called the nucleolus aduga nucleus there is the nucleolus karaga sulairibani nucleoplasm haibas there is a chromosome si yaugodoribani chromosome si the gene yaugodoribani machine inherit tawgodoribani nucleus pu kupsaliba akhoi membrane do kari kawi nuclear membrane kawi nucleus se akoina brain of the cell harga khangnai kari baram gino haitardi controls it controls all the activities of the cell si je 1 mark ta hangba yaba question ni ko then next ta mitochondria la si mitochondria have a singular da di mitochondrial sumaina lakpa ta ba ko are all rod shape haidi akogi se matum taraga admaino obatare ko shape se structure present in the cytoplasm mitochondria karai lei haitaragadi ma se cytoplasm da lei in which food is oxidized to obtain energy adu bataragadi mitochondria se karai da lei haitari cytoplasm da yaroga leire haidi basidei jaija kaidogba food se oxidize tawthoe aduga makari maramgi energy phangnaba aduna powerhouse of the cell harga khangneba mitochondria se sisu yam hangali karamba organelle bu powerhouse of the cell harga khangnai mitochondria se karigi powerhouse of the cell harga khangnari no haitaragadi kamaina khumdoiba food is oxidized to obtain energy food to oxidize tawthoga energy phanganba adui taragadi powerhouse of the cell harga khangnai ko vacuole samugla vacuoles are the storage structure of the cell ni the cell stores water cell stays water food other important substances sing che loina store tawra laigani vacuole da adoi di what are the main functions of the vacuole haita the storage of the cell kari no water food adagi important substances in the vacuoles sumaina hangba yai ko endoplasmic reticulum asambida ER harga khangna doini ER sidai sa ani laigani smooth ER SER amana rough ER RER ko the endoplasmic reticulum je consists of folds of the nuclear membrane that form channels in the cytoplasm consists of folds thupsalaga laibado of the nuclear membrane da that forms kari semba channel in the cytoplasm it is used to process and the transport materials such as proteins and the fats within the cells. Within the cells, there is a fat protein casing transport toba adugi process to masina trokadorini. Some areas of endoplasmic reticulum have small granules called ribosomes. Adu batardi ribosomes sigi madi tawdu se kaino help to make proteins. Ribosome di protein synthesis ta ko. Auna sigi su endoplasmic reticulum se sigi magi oba function si karino hai taragadi transport materials such as proteins and fats within the cell karai delai cytoplasm nuclear membranes there is a fold aura laiba aduga channel ama semba karai the cytoplasm da then next to the Golgi bodies are the stacks of the flattened structures found near the endoplasmic reticulum ER sigi manak sidai da akoina stacks of flattened haidi pak tharaga paisa maron lon khat padongna tawraga laiganeba complex compounds are modified and the packaged for transport by the Golgi bodies. Complex compounds singse kaidore modify tokthoba package tawba transport taweba aduga karaida Golgi bodies na lysosomes amuk yengasi. Lysosomes are small packet-like structure that break away from the Golgi bodies. They contain enzymes. Lysosomes enzymes that are capable of digesting all organelles. Organelles or basing ari basing che digest tokpa. Any other foreign material haidi tungana lakpa atopadagi lakpa singse sigise that enters the cell. They therefore serve as the digestive system of the cell. Sisna digestive system of the cell oeba maramdi kayino the mangon the enzyme saubagi. They are also used by special cell to digest bacteria and dead or all cells. Masna lysosome sisu yamaru oeba organelles ama oireko digestive system of the cell ni maramdi mana all organelles singdo digest tokpa foreign material singdo changakpa enter the cell da adagi masna special cells to digest bacteria adagi dead or all cells sinaching basing cheko. The centrosome with centriole centrosome with 2 centrioles is found only in animal cells. See the animal cell tadang phangani ko. Centrosome, the centrosome with 2 centrioles bracket manung de yaw with 2 centrioles sabani ko is found only in animal cells. It plays an important role in cell division. Cell division sida isa meiosis mitosis leire ko sina singba mayam sing sisu cell division gi da tongana laki doini sigi sida isa akogi se makha da question macha khara piri who was the first person to see bacteria kaina ko adagi amuk say how are cell built. Draw a flow chart to show how cell form an organism. What is the jelly-like substance that fills the cell called? Cell habaniko se anisugi baniko jelly-like structure se name the storage structure in cells. What is the function of the lysosomes? Si mayam sing che leire ko. Si noi admaina semba haibra try toro madam so admaina semaga pirakadori ni ko. Dunga sigidi sibok se admaina tawtho si ko. Thank you.